then we are going to be making the aloe vera gel. What I'm decided to use today is I'm going to use my organic coconut oil as well as some chopped up aloe vera leaf. We're just going to take the coconut oil, probably about a cup of the coconut oil. We're going to put it in a pot, and then we're going to put the aloe vera in there as well. Now I've already chopped up the aloe vera leaf. Looks like this. I started out by cutting off the thorns and then just chopped them up. And then we are going to place the aloe vera inside of the coconut oil after the coconut oil is, you know, inside of the pot and cool down. We're going to stir it for a while and let all of the juices and everything from inside the aloe vera leaf kind of break down and get into the oil. And then we will be done and we'll move on to the next step. So I've gone ahead and cooked this up, and now what I'm gonna do, and I did put some lavender in there. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take it and drain it in here and use this as a hot oil treatment. Oh, it's about to overflow. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that inside of this little bottle, this little Carol's Daughter bottle that I have here. This over here. All right, now that that's full, I'm just gonna save the rest of this oil for, you know, something else, and I'm just gonna go ahead and shut that down, and then we're gonna do our treatment. So now, basically all I'm gonna do is just take this and make sure that I get it really, really on my scalp. And that's why I like to use the ones with these little kind of funnels at the top. They have these at Sally's or whatever. I'll actually put a link down below where you can find them so that it comes out easy and you can just stick it right in where you want it to go in on the scalp. And then you just want to simply massage that. It's really important to massage the oil into the scalp, because that massaging really does stimulate the hair follicles, especially if you're somebody who has alopecia, if you're somebody who has dry, itchy scalp, if you're somebody who has eczema, this oil right here is going to be perfect for you. It's really going to help relieve some of that itchiness and some of that dry scalp. It moves the dermis, any dryness or any dandruff that's sticking there, and it allows the oil to penetrate the hair follicles. And that's important because this oil, not only is it going to condition your scalp and your hair really well, it's also going to stimulate hair growth. You can go ahead and apply that down the strands of your hair, all the way down to the ends, root to tip if you'd like. Then I'm just gonna bun it for a little bit. I'm just gonna let that oil really stimulate the scalp, really kind of get into that scalp because we gave it a really good long massage. But now you're gonna let it sit, you're gonna let it chill for a little bit, and then we go and wash it out. And then we will go into styling. Anyhow, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Check out the links for those other videos that I showed you to, and I will be back in just a moment to show you the rest of the video. Hey guys, so after I did my oiling of my hair, what I ended up doing now was I did an apple cider vinegar wash. I used some apple cider vinegar and I washed my hair and got rid of all the gunk and freaking gel buildup that was in there. And so now I'm just braiding my hair and preparing for you know, a wig, girl, because I am done doing my hair for a little while. I'm just gonna keep these cornrows in, you know, do some conditioning, and then throw that wig on, girl, because I need a break. Okay, I need a break. So what I did end up doing was I used, after I did my apple cider vinegar wash, I used my Cream of Nature Argan Oil leave-in conditioning spray. And I also used my Carol's Daughter Manoy Repairing Leave-In Conditioning Spray. And I blow dried my hair. To be honest with you, I went ahead and braided them up. That's why you can see these crinkles. So after I blow dried my hair, I braided it up. And I normally notice that after I do that, like after I blow dry my hair and then braid it up, it really, really, really allows my hair to just soak in whatever, you know, stuff I put in it or whatever. And so it feels really soft. And it looks soft as well. So after I braid this hair up, I will come back and then we're probably gonna reapply that oil and then we will throw some wigs on. All right, so pretty much this may be all that you see for me, but I think I might come back and show you guys, you know, just putting the oil and the conditioning spray. I might probably spray a little spray in my hair too, just to kind of keep my hair just really getting moisturized and keeping it moisturized underneath the braids and underneath the wigs, because I really do want to make sure that it is getting all of the moisture that it needs. So I'll see you guys in a minute.